Hello everyone, hi Pisces, this is the reading for you, December weekly reading. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. And energy could be vice versa. So let's see your messages, what's going on. Pisces, water sign. Knight of Pentacles, the Magician, and Page of Pentacles. A lot of pentacle energies here. Yeah. One minute, guys. Okay. So let's see your reading. Here, I think you may be working towards your goals and career. Definitely, you are very concentrating on your career right now, Pisces. But someone is coming back to you, or they are already approached you, your person. And yeah, there is love between both of you guys, Ace of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. I think in past, in this connection, there is no stability, but the stability is coming in. Yeah, Three of Wands. I think your person may be turned their back from you, or you may be turned your back from your person, but you both are coming together and there is some stability is coming in this connection. For some, you are now concentrating on your career to achieve some financial stability in your life. Yeah, but some messages, communication is coming. And Knight of Pentacles, yeah, this is very sincere. Your person is very sincere, and the offer is also very stable. And one person in this connection is very caring and giving person. It could be your person energy, could be vice versa. And Page of Wands, yeah, some communication. One person is younger than the other person in this connection, and one person is very beautiful and good looking. And Ten of Pentacles, and I think one person in this connection is not serious in past, but now this person want to work on this relationship very seriously. I think it could be you or your person. Take what resonate, because Eight of Pentacles is working seriously towards their goals or towards the relationship, to take this relationship to next level. Okay, Ten of Pentacles, definitely you both want to take this relationship to next level, and stability is coming in. And this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. I think you are manifesting your person back. You are in Magician energy, Pisces, or your person may be manifesting you back. I think it's you manifesting your person back again in your life. And Ace of Cups, definitely there is love between both of you guys. There is love. Yeah, your person loves you or you loves your person. I think your person may be very caring and giving person, what I am seeing here. But something happened between both of you. Now you are manifesting again them back, because you don't want to lose them again, because they are very caring and giving. I think now you want to work on this relationship seriously. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Definitely, so stability, long-term stability is coming in your relationship. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Lord of Earth energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. So Pisces, your person current feelings. Lot of what's going. Okay, Three of Pentacles, wow. Ten of Pentacles, see. Two of Wands, wow. They're thinking about you a lot. They also want to They also want stability in this connection, and they are ready to work on this relationship with you again. Okay, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they are ready to work on this relationship, and they also want to take stability to, and they are also ready to offer stability in this connection, and they also want partnership with you, and they are thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands, thinking about you, and this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different countries, cities or states. Definitely they are ready to work on this relationship, and you both are on the same page. You both want same thing, that is stability. Yeah. Three of Pentacles, I think you both are already known, working in same area, colleagues. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Pisces, your person near future actions towards you. Justice, the Moon, your card, Four of Swords. I think your person right now not talking to you for some, definitely, because they are undergoing some healing process, definitely, because they have some past baggage, whatever, they have to heal. Yeah, once your person may be undergoing some healing process, definitely, then the relationship is going to be next level, because healing create some stability in your person mind, because their mind is thinking about you a lot. Either they are thinking about you or the relationship issues. Definitely they are thinking and undergoing some healing process. Okay, in near future, definitely they will approach, they want to work on this relationship for sure. And the Moon, definitely there are some misunderstandings, some illusions between both of you guys. I think once you both started talking to each other, there then the misunderstandings will be gone. And Justice, definitely there are chances, second chances. Yeah, Justice, Libra. One person cut the other person in this connection, but there are second chances are there, I am seeing. Your person maybe ask second chance for you for this relationship, or you are going to ask second chance. And I think you both want second chance with each other. You both want same thing, and you both are on the same page. Definitely stability is coming in. Your person undergoing healing process. Okay, your person could be Libra or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see where this connection is headed in near future. Mutual energies, outcome. Pisces. Queen of Pentacles. Empress. Three cards. Okay, I will take two, but here three. The Sun, Hierophant, and Wheel of Fortune. Definitely, this relationship is going to be next level. Commitment is coming. Stability is coming. The Sun, definitely very positive ending, happy ending between both of you. And Wheel of Fortune, I think in the right time, divine timing. Timing plays crucial role in this connection. Definitely things are turning in your connection favor, both favor. Okay, this is not one your favor, your person's favor, not this is connection favors. Definitely, I think this connection is going to be next level. You both want a stability, you both want to work on this relationship. Yeah, there are some second chances also. I think one person in this connection is very caring and giving person. I think it's you or your person energy, could be vice versa. But at the end of the day, you both decided to work on this relationship and want to take this relationship to next level, because Hierophant, marriage, definitely there is some commitment and a solid foundation is going to be happen between both of you. I am seeing some solid foundation in this relationship. Yeah, the Sun, very positive. For some it could be your person are having some children also, very few. Okay, so definitely this relationship is going to be next level. So let's see your overall energy, Pisces, for the week. Two of Wands, the Fool, Queen of Swords, and Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, long-term commitment. For some, you are working towards your goals and you are achieving success also there. And some honest communication, clear-cut communication is coming. And Fool. Yes, you also want brand new beginnings with you. Definitely there is a brand new beginnings between both of you guys. You also thinking about your person a lot. You are thinking about each other a lot. Definitely you both want to take this relationship to next level. And your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. See the Star, Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, and Temperance. Your person could be Sagittarius. Definitely they are patiently waiting for the right time, and I think your person may be walked away from you because due to there is no equal give and take. Whatever the reason, I think one person walked away from this connection. I think it could be your person, and they are now emotionally and financially stable. They are making some money also. Your person is stand by their power. Star. Yeah, they are also hoping for this connection. They also want reconciliation with you. You both want same thing. You both are thinking about each other a lot. So definitely there is stability is coming in and love is there between both of you guys. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.